welcome back. Today we are going to open a Squishmallow Mystery Squad that is scented. After, we're gonna open a mini mystery squad that's of Squishmallows. First, let's open, the scented perfume mystery squad. It's scented, so let's smell it. Smells like lime and strawberry.
Let me smell. I think it smells like strawberry. Which one do you think it's gonna be? I think it's gonna be this one.
I think it's gonna be this one.
The green?
Yes.
I think it's gonna be the pink one.
Okay, let's open it. Be careful.
I was right!
No, you weren't.
Oh my god, I wasn't! Okay, so none of us were right? We got this one.
Angelica. More to squish and curb plus the peluches. Angelica loves shapes. When she isn't playing the triangle or biking in circles, you can find her working with rectangles at the local picture frame store. So she likes shapes.
Yeah,
oh my god.
Shapes, but she's super cute.
Yes.
Let me see. Soft. And it smells so good. Just holding it, you can smell it, right?
Uh-huh.
Oh, and it has this little spoon, I think.
Or straw?
Yeah, I think it's like a frozen yogurt, maybe?
Yeah. Or a
Aww.
smoothie.
Okay, let's put Angelica right here.
Now, let's open the Miniverse Mystery Squad Squishmallow. Okay, let's open it.
Okay, be careful. Oh, wait, hold on. I think we're just gonna... Oh, the packaging's a little hard. Okay. There we go.
Pretty hard to open.
A little.
Okay, let's open it. Let's see what we got. Okay, let's... A capybara! Aww. His name is...
Looks like it's sleeping.
Legion. Let's see what he likes. Legion is one feisty Aries. The capybara loves bringing people together and hosts the best dinner parties in town. When she isn't hanging with her bestie Seth, you can find Legion expressing her creative side through films. Right now, she is working on a series of female-based shorts. So she likes to see films, and she likes hanging out with her bestie.
Aww.
It looks like she's sleeping.
It does look like she's sleeping. But again, she's super soft. I think that one is a little bit softer. But this one's also really cute. And it's small, so maybe you could make it into a keychain or something.
Mm-hmm.
Well, these are both. Which one is your favorite?
I think it's Angelica, because she smells good and she's softer, and she has these toppings and sprinkles, and it smells so good.
Yeah, I think she's really detailed.
Mm-hmm.
But you have to remember, this is super small and it's super cute. You can just put it on your bedside or wherever you want.
Or a collection of mini
Exactly.
squishies. Well, this is all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye!